Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna make to you the best chicken over rice. It's very tasty and juicy, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm using for my delicious dish today, but everything will be listed below. Let's season our chicken thighs. First, I add some olive oil, to season the chicken thighs. I made a mixture of different seasonings such as black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, complete seasoning, paprika, and salt. You can use butter or oil to cook your chicken thighs. It's up to you. Now I'm going to let it cook for 3 minutes per side. After a few minutes, our chicken thighs are ready to move. To make my rice, I'm adding bell peppers, snapped peas, onions, butter, and seasonings. time to add our rice and then chicken broth. To finish, I add our chicken thighs and then put it in the oven for 50 minutes or 1 hour. This is a perfect chicken over rice. You've got to give it a try. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and tell me what do you think. See you in the next one. Ciao, ciao!